This lighting is nice. Maybe I need to put thoda sa more lipstick and the blushy on. Much better. And lipstick. Done. Should I fix my hair? Yeah, perfect. Looks like I got back from my sleep. Actually, it does not look bad. It's like a really classy. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Alma, and in today's video, I will be telling you guys how to start your own Instagram and earn from your Instagram. So this is gonna be a really fun talking sort of a video that you guys can watch if you wanna start earning. Where do I look? Okay, so this is going to be a really fun video to watch if you guys want to know how to start earning through your Instagram without any investments and anything. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to share some few tips and tricks that you guys can follow while you post your stuff and how to just earn through it and start your journey on Instagram. So let's just get into it. So while I talk about it, I will also be eating my food because apparently I'm hungry, like always. It ain't new. I think I should look here. Before I get into this video, let me tell you guys how I started my YouTube journey.
Wait a minute.
Insta. Sorry. Still don't know how to keep my hair.
2,000 years later.
So before we get into the video, let me tell you guys about how I started my Instagram journey. So basically it was really unexpected. I honestly did not plan to become like an influencer sort of a person. I don't know if I can be considered as one yet, but okay. So it just happened. I posted my first IGTV probably March or April, May, when I was in my 11th. So I just made that, and for fun I just posted it. I just didn't think much about it. I just posted it. Somehow it did get a few views. It got like 3,000 views, and I was like really happy because I did not have much followers then. So I was like really happy. Then I started to become more active on my IGTV. That time reels were not there, so there was no concept like reels or anything. It was just IGTV, and obviously you're posting and stuff like that. So I started to become more active on my IGTV, and then it just started to blow up. So that's how I began. So let me tell you guys, how can you start your Instagram journey and how can you earn through your Instagram. Obviously I'm going to eat more. Just done with my momos. First thing that you need to decide is what type of videos do you like to make. If you like to make all those fashion-enabled videos, or if you like to make skincare related videos, or if you like to make videos related to your makeup and stuff like that, so you need to first pick your style. You can't be the person who is like everywhere. You have to pick your style. कि मैं ये 3 स्टाइल को फॉलो करूँगी या तो इन 4 स्टाइल को फॉलो करूँगी, because there are many styles. There is dance, there is singing, there is makeup, there is skincare, there is fashion hauls, then there is all these art style, people make all these paintings and arts and everything like that. Then there is this one thing that is also working out really well for people, is about talking about your mental health. Maybe if you're a counselor, you can start with that. Then that is there. So you probably need to decide few things. If you're just confused at what to do, makeup, fashion haul, then pick 3 things that you know that you are going to do and that you know you're good at. Let it be lip syncing, fashion hauls, or whatever it is. So I think what my thing mostly is makeup, skincare, obviously. I am trying to be good at fashion hauls. And obviously, you know, the boyfriend girlfriend reels that I make and all those funny sort of videos that I make, that is in, obviously. Second is, what you need to do is you need to follow the trends. You should not think कि अरे इसने किया तो मैं same करूँ क्या. Add your spice to it, add something new to it, bring on your creativity to it. So the next thing that you're gonna do is you need to be very much informed about your insights. So if you're informed about your insights, if you know what your insights are like, if you know what your audience is like, if you know what type of audience you have, is it between the age of 18 to 24, or do you have elder audience range, or whatever your audience range is, and what time are they active. So you always need to keep that in mind. The time that they are active is the time when you are going to post your videos. If your audience is active at, let's say, 6 p.m. and you end up posting a video at 8 a.m, it won't make sense. You won't get that reach. जो reach post करने के बाद सीधा होता है ना, वो better होता है. ठीक है? So keep that in mind. Posting at the right time, very important, very, very, very important. Most important thing. Using the correct hashtags. Another important thing that you guys are supposed to do all the time, like all the time. Use the appropriate hashtag. So if your video is a dancing video and you end up using a hashtag skincare or hashtag makeup, it won't make sense. You don't have to use इतने बड़े बड़े hashtags. No, it does. मैं कहाँ देख रही हूँ यार? I don't know. ठीक है, I just look away. Sorry. So use the correct hashtags, you guys. It will not make sense if you use all these big paragraphs, hashtags के नहीं. कुछ बनता ही नहीं है. If you use the correct ones, even if it's like 5 hashtags, it will all fall in place. Don't use ये इतना बड़ा बड़ा Instagrammer, Insta live, Insta page, Insta this, Insta that. नहीं होता ऐसा. ये करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. आप appropriate hashtags यूज करो. जो hashtags आपके जो आपने पोस्ट किया है उससे related hashtags यूज करो, तो आपको audience मिलेगी. Next, how do you get collaborations? Well, first of all, you don't have to worry about like अरे अब ये नहीं मिल रहा, वो नहीं मिल रहा, ये नहीं मिल रहा, वो नहीं मिल रहा. ऐसे नहीं होता. Instagramming, being an influencer is just like a normal thing. Okay, so one day you will have a lot of work. One day you're going to be so villa that you will not have work. So this has happened to me once. 1 month I was just packed with PR packages. I was just full on blocked. One day I had nothing to do, like absolutely nothing. I was just so वेली कि कुछ नहीं है, कुछ काम नहीं है, ऐसा हो गया था. So अगर ऐसा हुआ आपके साथ कि कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है और आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि दूसरों को मिला, तो ऐसे मत सोचो. सबका ऐसा होता है कि कभी मिलता है, कभी नहीं मिलता है. So it happens with everyone. It's not just you. So if you're a new person to Instagram and if you have like, let's say 3,000 to 5,000 followers, and you expect a lot of paid collaborations and a lot of money, it won't work. You have to start off with barter collaborations. Small things की चलेगी. Scrunchies, barters, ring कर लो barters, barter करना start करो, so that people who follow you know कि अच्छा ठीक है, this person is doing barter collaboration, so they can forward your page. Don't be like कि अरे barter है नहीं करूँगी, ऐसा नहीं होगा. करो barter. आप new हो, आपको नहीं पता है Instagram के बारे में, तो आप करो barter. Then what you are gonna do, this is what I also did, you guys, so there is nothing to be ashamed or anything like that. When I had like 5k followers, I started to reach out to all these big brands. So I reached out to many, Beauty Co, and this video, they did not sponsor this video or anything like that. So I've reached to big brands, like different sort of brands and everything. So I used to send them a message, hey, are you guys up for a collaboration? And then they used to revert back with this form. So all brands have a form that you're supposed to fill in if you want to have a collaboration. So you're gonna fill that form in, and if they like your profile, if they like what you're presenting on your Instagram feed, they will select you, and this is how you can get your collaborations done. Do not promote something you will never use. Promote something that you're actually using. Promote something that you know that you're gonna use and be a part of it. That is also important. Maintain your feed. Again, very important. Choose your feed ka style. If you don't know your feed ka style, you're just going to keep messing it up. Make sure your pictures are clear enough so that people see what you're posting. Post something creative, post whatever you like to post. If let it be a trend, let it be anything, but just post it. Don't be like कि आप 7 दिन एक्टिव नहीं हो, सडनली एक दिन आके आपने एक साथ वीडियो सारे डाल दिए. नहीं, एवरी डे कुछ ना कुछ करो. स्टोरी तो स्टोरी चलेगी, बट ऐसे लगना चाहिए कि इंसान एक्टिव है, ठीक है. एंड एक साथ कभी 2-3 पोस्ट मत किया करो. नहीं होगा, या तो आपको पहले पोस्ट को लाइक्स नहीं मिलेगा, या तो आपके लास्ट पोस्ट को लाइक नहीं मिलेगा. ऐसा होता है. तो डेली करना है तो डेली करो. मैं पोस्ट अभी थोड़ा वो हो गई हूँ. आई एम नॉट रियली frequent with my posts, so make sure you maintain your feed because that is also very important. You need to maintain your feed. Food break. Okay, so that's how I basically started earning through Instagram. And I have always been this person who would not like to always like spend money and like waste money. I did whatever I had to, but I always had a limited budget because I always wanted to save my money. So I'm not at all a person who would waste my money, and I also suggest you not to waste your money if you start earning money because it's a harsh time because of all this COVID and everything. So you need to, you know, have some sort of a saving, and for the future you never know what happens next, so you should always be like a little prepared. And I never wanted to waste my money, so I was always in search for some place where I can invest my money and not waste it and make money from my own money. And then I came across cryptocurrency. So if you don't know much about cryptocurrency, let me tell you, cryptocurrency is a visual currency. It's just like your normal currency. You can start your investments from ₹100 and you can have all the investments that you want. And cryptocurrency is not at all gambling. It's not at all gambling. It is pure investment, and it totally depends on the international markets. So don't you ever think it is like a gambling sort of process. No, it is not. It is a pure 100% investment, and it is like, it all depends on the international markets and stuff like that. Okay, you guys, so I came across this app. It's called the CoinSwitch Kubera app. It is the simplest and the largest cryptocurrency exchange in India. You can have instant withdrawals and deposits through this app. So if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, you should check out their YouTube channel, and the name of their YouTube channel is CoinSwitch. I have also kept a link in my description down below about their YouTube channel. So if you want to know more about it and how to invest your money and how to, you know, get along with cryptocurrency, you can definitely check it out. सच में बहुत बात कर लिया अभी तो. अभी एक मोमोज बनता है. Done. Okay, you guys, so that was it for today's video. So this is how you can start your Instagram video app. Okay, you guys, that was it for today's video. So this is basically how you can start your Instagram journey and earn money through it. Make sure you use the perfect hashtags, perfect time when you post the videos. Do not put all these ek saath videos in one day. Just try to maintain your feed. Just try to be active on your Instagram every day. Let it be a story, but at least put a story so that the audience can know that you're active. Oh my god, I am talking so fast. Round of applause for me. So yeah, you guys, that was it. I hope you guys really like this video. In my next video, I will tell you guys about YouTube maybe or something else. You guys can put down your suggestions and let me know what you guys want me to talk about. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, you guys can check out the app. It's called the CoinSwitch Kubera app. I have put them down in the description, so you guys can check it out. That was it for today's video. I love you guys and bye. Take care.